of lemon juice. 1. Improve skin quality. Lemon juice is a good remedy for many skin problems like rashes, dark spots, and acne. It prevents cell damage and slows down aging. 2. Cleansing the liver. Lemon juice is very effective in cleansing the liver as it promotes the liver to flush out toxins. 3. Good source of vitamin C. Powerful antibacterial properties that helps to fight off infections. 4. Prevents kidney stones. By increasing urine pH and creating less favorable conditions for stone formation. 5. Promotes weight loss. It improves digestion and increases the body's metabolic rate.